To add a Disney gift card with Apple Wallet, start by opening the Wallet app on your Apple device. If you cannot find the Wallet app, swipe down on your home screen and type Wallet in the search bar to locate it. Once you have opened the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. Select the option to add a different card type and then choose Gift Card. You will then be prompted to enter the card details, including the gift card number and the card verification value, which can be found on the back of the card. Enter the card details carefully to avoid any errors. After entering the card details, you will be asked to add the card to your wallet. Tap Add to confirm and the Disney gift card will be added to your Apple Wallet. You can now use your Disney gift card to make purchases at Disney stores, restaurants, and theme parks. To use the gift card, open the Wallet app, select the Disney gift card, and hold your device near the contactless reader to complete the transaction. It is also important to note that you can check the balance of your Disney gift card in the Wallet app at any time. To do this, open the Wallet app, select the Disney gift card, and tap the information icon to view the card details, including the balance. By following these steps, you can easily add a Disney gift card to your Apple Wallet and start making purchases with it right away. This is a convenient and easy way to manage your gift card and make the most of your Disney experience.